Hey, so today I'll be talking in this video about how safe is OpenClaw. Is OpenClaw really very safe? So see, OpenClaw is very powerful as we know, but it is very risky. If it is not configured properly, it can access all your files, emails, APIs, and system commands. So the damage will be very serious if it's compromised. So it's not safe for developers who wants to understand security and also not ideal for casual users without precautions. So what we are going to do here is that we are first going to run this locally only, and then we'll also use a sandbox to run this. Okay. So now let us go to PowerShell and let us run this as an administrator. Fine. Now, I will basically run this command of OpenClaw security audit. Okay, so what is basically OpenClaw security audit means? So basically, if I talk about OpenClaw security audit, so this runs a deep security check in order to ensure that the gateway service starts immediately, and then it has zero critical issues. Okay, this means that our port is also listening properly and is also synced and it is safe for local use. Let us run this. See, we have three commands. This is one of them. So as I got, there is zero critical issues and there is just one warning. And this is basically reverse proxy. So what does reverse proxy means? So reverse proxy is nothing, but it acts as a middle gateway in order to fetch your user's request from one system to another system. Okay, but we are not going to use reverse proxy here because as I said, this is only used for local machines. Okay, here everything is enabled, sorry, everything is disabled in webhooks and internals, but this basically means that we can ensure that the trusted proxies is empty. Okay, we'll only keep it local, and then in order to make it more safe, we can add a gateway token to reverse proxy, but this is basically not needed right now. So we have run the security audit check. Now I will run a even more deeper check. This is security audit deep. Okay, so what this security audit deep does is that it basically is like a modified version of the previous command. Okay, so this basically checks that whether the server is connected locally, whether a loopback is binded or not. What does gateway.bind loopback means? This basically means that our service is not accessible other than our local PC. This is disabled for the public and this is only enabled for our local use. So as we have run this command, let us also run the command of uh, this OpenClaw security audit deep fix. So what this does, basically it makes ensures that just a minute. So this is the command. I'm sorry. So basically what this command does is that it checks for any critical issues and then it fixes using a OpenClaw doctor. Okay. So now this is basically showing that there is a zero critical issue, but we can fix these things. Okay. What are these commands basically? These commands are just to check whether we are granting the reading and writing permission access to our local PC or not. So for now, we are ignoring the reverse proxy command. Okay. So basically, this is the important one. We need to have zero critical issues. Okay. And if we get even a two warning signs, they are just regarding the gateway, which is not being run right now. Okay. If I run the gateway, these logs will be cleared again. Fine. Now let me start the gateway. So we have ran the gateway. So I have chosen the model of Google Gemini Pro, right? Let us go to this server. Fine. This is the official server. Okay, as you can see, I have chatted here with this already. So now I can ask which is the most favorable place to visit in India. Fine. See, this conversation is basically only limited to me and this chatbot itself. It's not accessible to anywhere else. Okay, and I'll also show you how this is possible. So this has given me the answer that it is summer and best in summer and winter, and it's also suitable in Kerala